Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your PSP crashing games. So basically the first issue, if you're using the UMD disk, so basically open that, and what we'll need to do is clean your disk and clean all right here, make sure it's not dusty, and that's pretty much it. And the second, if you're using the SD card, let's just take it out. And basically what we'll need to do is take like a scotch tape or electrical tape. As you can see, I have already cut right here, and it is double, so as you can see. And now what we'll need to do is take our SD card and put it like this, and when we push back again, it will add some force into the slot. So if it is worn out or something like this, it should fix our problem. So let's try it again and put it our SD card like this. And now let's try it launching it again. Okay, so it is the date, and now we can see that it already just shows my games, and it shouldn't crash my game. And the other way what we can do is basically check if our SD card is good, and make sure if you're using SD card with adapter, make sure your adapter is good too. So just try out another adapter. This is the bigger one. I don't have a right adapter, but make sure the contacts are clean right here and clean right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.